What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel for another video. And today it's something very special for me because it's my very first sponsor review. Sorry to disturb, I got just something for you from PGYTECH. You can leave it here. I can leave it here?
Thank you.
So now you know from which company this package is from, and I just want to thank a lot PGYTECH for allowing me to test and review their products. And normally inside this box I got some accessory for the Osmo Action mostly, but also two of them for the Mavic 2 Pro, but I will make another review for this. Let's see what we have inside the box. I want to say that I'm really happy to have this opportunity because I never try some PGYTECH accessories, and I told them that I'm really happy to test those products because they are not expensive and you can find them also on the DJI official website. So for the Osmo Action, first one is this mini tripod, and you can extend it, so it's really great. I can't wait to test it. Strap holder to put on your backpack. Lens hood, it's like the ones we have on our cameras, so it's great to remove some unwanted light. Screen protector for all the screen. Universal mount, I will see where I'm gonna put this one. And then I got two accessories for the Mavic 2 Pro, but I will review them in another video. So now let's open one by one all these accessories, test them, talk about them, and see what we can do with them. Let's go. So I got my Osmo Action ready here, and let's start with the mini extendable tripod. In the box you have this manual with some stickers from PGYTECH, and then you have this with the mini tripod itself, a mount, not for the Osmo Action but maybe for the Osmo Pocket or other things. Then you have two of these pins. This is for fixing the Osmo Action on the mini tripod. And how it works, it's really simple. You just need to put your Osmo Action like this, the pin inside, you can turn it, and boom, it's done. You're ready to go. So I'm a huge fan of this system because it's really fast and you can remove your Osmo Action really fast too. I really like that. Another thing that I noticed is that the camera is moving a little bit when I turn it like that, but I just want to let you know guys, this mistake. I was using the one from my Insta360, and this one is really great, but it's just this size and you can't extend it or nothing else, so you can just use it as a mini tripod or you can vlog in like this. But this one, what I love on it is that you can extend it for making some cinematic movement too. It's great because you don't have to be yourself low to the ground. And also if you want to film yourself like a vlog, you can just put the camera like this and you're gonna have more wide angle, because as you know, when you're using rocksteady stabilization and de-warp option, the camera cropping the image, so you're gonna have less wide angle with that. But you need to use de-warp and rocksteady stabilization, except if you like fisheye look, but personally I don't like that. That's why I love this, because you have the choice to vlog like this, or you can also normally and have a really small setup. This one is more bigger, as you can see, and it's also more heavy. This one is really light and the grip is great too, because here you don't really have a grip. Now let's watch some example with the tripod extended and not, and as you can see, it gives you different options to film yourself, so it's great. And then you can also make some cinematic movement like this. That's why it's great to have this extendable option. Also for making time-lapse, it's great because you can put it on the ground and extend it if you need to have more height. Really nice product, except the fact that it's moving a little bit. Maybe it's just mine who is like that, I don't know. You can move the camera, you need to force a little bit, but I can go really hard with this and nothing's moved. So it's a really nice product and I really love it. Another strange thing that I see when using it is that when you want to put it on the ground at the minimum height, you can't, because this is gonna touch the ground. So you need to extend it, maintain the bottom part, go down, and now like this is fine. So yeah, you can't put it on the ground at minimum height, so it's another strange thing. To be done with this one, the good thing is that it's extendable, it's really light compared to the other one. I really love the fixation system, it's so easy and fast. And for the bad things, this, but maybe it's just mine, I don't know. I don't really like the fact that you need to extend it for put it on the ground. Except that, nothing. Now let's see the other accessories. The screen protector. I'm a little bit disappointed with this because when I open it, I see that you only have the protections for the back screen and the front screen, but you don't have one for the lens. I already have some protection from my screen and my lens that I found on Amazon. On this one you have 2 protection for the front screen and 2 for the back, but nothing for the lens, and the lens is one of the most things that we want to protect, so I don't understand why. Maybe it's just another mistake, so I'm not gonna use it because I don't want to remove the protection that I have to put those one and don't have a protection for my lens. Protection are really great things, but please PGYTECH, put a protection for the lens because it's really important to protect this part of the camera too. I'm not gonna use it, sorry. Next one is this universal mount, and I'm gonna use it because, like I said, I'm a really huge fan of this system to attach the Osmo Action. It's really fast and easy. So if I want to use again my Insta360 mini tripod, I can remove this GoPro mount, put this one from PGYTECH, put my Osmo Action, and boom, it's really easy to fix. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this mount on my Insta360 mini tripod. And it comes with 2 pins also, so if you lose one, it's always great to have 2. Next one is this lens hood. Here, same, I'm a little bit confused because the meter is like that, so it's strange because on our lens it's solid, it's easy to fix, it's really easy to fix it, but I think it can fall down easily because it's not really attached on the lens. If you use it when you make action like skateboarding or surfing, everything who make the camera moving a lot, I really think it can fall down easily with the wind. It's not really attached. I would love to have something solid like some clip, because on the back of the original filter you have some space, so I would love to have a solid lens hood with a clip that when you put it on the lens it clips on the back. But it's a really nice idea to have create this for the Osmo Action because it's really useful to remove this lens flare effect during the day when you're filming outside. And now the last one, it's my favorite one, it's the strap holder, and it comes with the manual and some stickers too. 2 pins like the mini tripod, and this one is really simple to attach. You just need to put it right here. You can move the back, open this, find the right one, and it's nicely attached. It doesn't move, so it's really great. And like on the tripod, to attach it, it's really fast. You just need to put this, turn it, and boom, it's done. I love the fact that you can turn it at 360 because if your camera is not straight, you can just turn it like that. If you want to film in portrait mode, you can put it like that. And I will bring it with me all the time now. So I really like this system, and I think you can put this also on a belt, film like this if you have this on your belt. I'm just wondering if after a long time of using, I will let you know because I'm going to Italy for 5 days and I'm gonna bring this with me and try it just to know if after a few days, weeks, months of use, if this not moving like that, because for now it's okay. If I do this, if I move it like that too, it doesn't move. But I just want to know after a few months of use or week if it's still like that. I will let you know in another video. I really love this strap holder because yeah, it's nice, it's nicely made, the design is really great too. All the possibilities that you have with this are so cool, so that's why I really love it. Okay, now I'm done with this review, guys. It's been a pleasure to review some new products that I never had before, and I want to thanks again PGYTECH for this opportunity. And like I said to them, I've been honest about what I think about this product. So now I want to give you some of them as a giveaway. The mini extendable tripod, the lens hood, the screen protection, and the universal mount. And to participate, it's really simple. You just need to leave me a comment below with the hashtag PGYTECH giveaway. I will scroll down and up to the comment section and stop to one of the comments, and it's gonna be the winner of the giveaway. And I will tell you the winner in my next video because it's gonna be a review of some products of PGYTECH for the Mavic 2 Pro. Can't wait to test them and tell you what I think about them. Thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to receive a notification for my next video. And I see you in my next video about those Mavic 2 Pro products. Ciao!